Today we are going to make a unique recipe from cottage cheese, that is cottage cheese with foxnuts or paneer makhana, and the ingredients are: heat 1 teaspoon of ghee, add in 1 cup of foxnut or makhana, we will saute our makhanas on low flame and roast them till they are crisp. Our makhanas are done. Now transfer it to a plate and reserve it for later. Heat 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now add 1 medium size finely chopped onion, 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, 2 cloves. Saute it nicely. Add 1 cinnamon stick. We will saute our onions till they are golden brown in color. Onions are done. Now add half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute them nicely. Ginger garlic is sauteed nicely. Now add 1 cup of onion paste. Saute the onion paste till it changes its color. Color of the onions are changed. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon cumin seed powder. Now saute everything very nicely. Add in some water and we will roast our masalas till oil separates. Oil has been separated. Now add half cup of beaten curd. Mix it nicely. We will roast our masala for 2 to 3 minutes. Our masala is done. Now we will add salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, give it a quick stir. Add water, adjusting the consistency of the gravy. We are going to add a little more water. Mix it. Now add the roasted foxnut or makhana. Mix it nicely with the gravy. Now cover the lid and we will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. It is done. Now we will add our paneer pieces. Half cup of fresh cream. Mix everything nicely and bring it to a boil. Now add half teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Cover the lid and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. Our paneer is ready. Sprinkle some kasuri methi and now transfer it to a serving dish. Our cottage cheese with foxnuts or paneer makhana is ready to be served. If you like the recipes, please do like, share and subscribe the channel.